Good evening, this is VJ Franz K. We're doing our autumn unboxing. Here is a gear fidget toy. It is from Makwen. It's another item that you can order online. Common sort of thing. Everything comes from online these days, even though you need to go and visit your brick and mortar shops also. Let them stay in business. So inside this box, there it is. You can already see why I ordered it, can't you? It's got an interesting sort of triangular design. It's made with these pseudo-industrial gears, and you fold it over and over again, and the gears sort of turn around inside. It's hard to even describe what is happening here, but it's fascinating. I guess if you look, each gear has a axle which goes around the edge of it, so they're all turning. They're all turning to create this sort of effect of rotation. So I guess you learn to do that with one hand. It's interesting. It looks a bit too heavy to be a medallion, probably. You wouldn't want to wear something like something this big chained to the front of you. Then again, some people have much heavier jewelry than that, but yeah, it's metal. Sort of feels, I don't know, kind of like cheap metal, but at least it's smooth. And I don't know, not that much more to be said. There's nothing in the box whatsoever except this set of, it is 6 gears, sort of connected in this weird way. 6 gear-shaped things, even though technically there's no reason they have to be gears if you look at it, because the teeth of the gears are not engaged in any particular activity. They're just turning. But yeah, I can see how this is going to be an interesting fidget toy or a conversation piece, and that's what I usually use it for. I like having something to move around while I am thinking of things or talking or just whatever. And this could fit the bill, I guess. It's interesting, it's appealing, it's cool to look at. You can watch it sort of do its oscillation here. I'll say the downside to it, I don't know, the strength of it is probably medium. It's probably could survive a drop or something. I wouldn't hit it too hard. You know, probably, I'm guessing, middle strength for this thing. But the other limitation is that it is just kind of limited. There are only kind of 2 things you can do with it. Turn it one way and turn it the other way. So either way, it's sort of this orbital type of thing. And the other thing is that unlike say a fidget spinner or something like that, it's very easy to keep the fidget spinner rotating and orbiting. But this, you do have to have some finger dexterity to keep it rotating. You have to keep changing your grip on the thing. And do I think you could hurt your fingers with the gears? No, probably not. They're not sharp. They're nice and rounded and smooth. And like even if you tried to grind your fingers in this gear, it wouldn't do anything. So I don't know, probably not a safe toy for the littlest kids, because I'm sure they could figure out some way to cause trouble with it, like perhaps get their hair caught in it or something. I guess you could wind your hair up inside this, and I guess because of the way it rotates through, you couldn't really hang it as a medallion or a decoration like that. because the oscillation requires the gears to sort of orbit through each other. But, you know, anyway, I figure 6 gears. We'll talk under 6 minutes, but this is the first autumn unboxing. I guess last batch was the late summer unboxings, but for the Infinity Gear Fidget Toy Silver, made in China. I think there were other colors like gold or something, copper, maybe. But yeah, it's I guess it is a decent value for the money, and I will give it a B, maybe B plus or something, as a fidget toy value. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, leave your comments, and if you can, use the new hype feature on YouTube to try and hype some of my videos. You get, I believe it is 3 hypes every few days, maybe per week or something like that. But we, the YouTube creators, certainly appreciate your likes, your following, subscriptions, and as we say, it is totally free to click like on a video, so you might as well do it for us, the creators, who bother to do all of this stuff for you. But anyway, leave your comments, questions, and everything down at the bottom. Thank you very much for watching. This is the high-tech lifestyle, and we are living it to the fullest.